Hi, my name is Karnnithi Raktapongpaisal and today I'm going to be explaining why I answered these for my math exam. So the first topic is about converting numerals to normal one and vice versa. The first question, MDCLV. From what I remember, M is equal to 1000, D is equal to 500, C is 100, L is 50, and V is 5. Adding all that together, you get 1655. The next one is very easy. It's three i's together, so an I is equal to 1, so 3 of that is equal to 3. The next one, L, X, X, X. L is equal to 50 and 3x is equal to 30. Which means that 1x is equal to 10. So plus all of that, you get 80. The next one, D, C, 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 I, I. D is equal to 500. C is equal to 100. C is equal to 100. And add 100 more. Add I is equal to 1 and another I. Plus all of that together and you get 802. The second one. Uh, the second one, you have to convert numbers to Roman numerals. So this first one is 6. So to plus that together is V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. So the answer is VI. The second one is 15. So 10 is X and 5 is V. Plus that together you get XV. These ones are a little bit harder. 342. To get 300 you have to plus 3 C's together. So C, C, C. Plus 40, which is XL. L is 50. X is 10. If you put that behind the L, you get 40. And plus I and plus I. Together you get C, 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 XL, II. The last one, 1215. M is 1000, C is 100, so plus 2 is 2 C's, X is 10, and V is 5. So all of that together, M, C, C, X, V. The next question is about cos, tan, and sin. I don't really remember much about it, so I just answered according to the calculator. Also, this Greek alphabets. I remember roughly. I think this is alpha. This is beta. I forgot what this is. This is omega. I also forgot these. This is sigma, and this is pi. So on now to the harder questions which use lots and lots of formulas. So this one, together we have to find the total length of everything. The first one is this over here is 1200. So we already got one number right there. R equals to 500. The angle here is not a full circle, but half a circle. So 180 degrees. And this one here is 150, the radian, and is at a 90-degree angle. So first I put number 1 here to indicate this angle and this line, and number 2 over here to indicate this line. So length equals to 1200 plus 1 and plus 2. So first we have to find 1. So I put the formula together. Not pi, sigma underscore 360, which is the angle is a circle, pi, and times 2r. This can also be used as d instead of 2r. So I put all the numbers together. Sigma is 180 degrees, r is 500. So I put that together and I get 1570.796 millimeters. But this is millimeters. This is centimeters. So 1200 is centimeters. But what I got here is millimeters. So I have to convert that to centimeters, which is 157.07696. Sorry. The second one, as you can see here, it's 90 degrees. So I put 90 degrees on sigma. R is equal to 150. So I put that right there, which is equal to 300. And put that all together, you get 235.619. And convert that to centimeters, you get 23.5619 centimeters. Plus that all together, this and this, and also the 1200, you get 1380.6413 centimeters. The second one, number B, is very difficult because you cannot see here, but it looks like a pin, like a clipper. So it has a line here, and then an 80 degree, not 80 degree, 180 degree circle, which is half a circle, and then a line across, and then another smaller half circle, straight line, and then a smaller half circle, and then a little bit of line. So I use the same formula as the last one. Some of the lines I use and then cut because it says 30 here and 6 here and 11 here. So to find the small line that is not in the half circle, I find the half circle and then use that to minus the total length. I use that for this and this together with a bunch of thinking and brain hurts. You get 107.16 millimeters. Number C, it looks easy. Sorry, it looks complicated, but it's easy. It's just very long. So this here is an opposite S with two lines. The second line outside is 12 diameters thicker. Not thicker, further from the original line inside. So the first one, there's a 30-degree angle here. I put that in the same formula, and then I plus the 12 diameters to the 42 diameters, which is over here, to get the other line, and plus that together. Second one is half a circle, 180 degrees, and then I do the same for everything. And with a lot of thinking and calculating, you get 678.02 millimeters. For number 3, you have to find the, the length of the shadow or the area of the shadow. So for the first one, I don't think you can see it, but I colored this here a little bit. So to first find the area of the shadow, I have to find everything first. So I use this length here and this length here, sorry, width, and times 2 because this and this is the same, this and this is the same. And for these 90-degree circles, it says here R20, and R can be equal to millimeter. So R20 equals to 20 millimeter. And I, I times 4 that because 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of that, you get 480 millimeter. And then I have to minus this rectangle within, so I have to find the length of the rectangle. The rectangle is 120 and 40. Oh yes, and I forgot. Anyways, this is all equal to 160 millimeters. The next one. This one is a little bit hard because you have to guess the angle of the first large circle, and the second one is 180 degrees. So the first one, this big circle here, I guess at 270 degrees. So you put that in the formula, got the R is equal to 60. So I put that there, and it's equal to 282.74. So I got the circle. The next one is the connection between the big circle and the small circle. So it's a rectangle. So I get the numbers for it. 50 and let me see here, 30, because this is equals to 30. Alright, now I have to find the big rectangle. The big rectangle is, it says over here 100, excuse me, 150, and then I have to plus 30 here. So that equals to 180. So 180, and over here is R60, which means this over here is 60. So 150 times 2 plus 60 times 2. So that equals to 480. So I plus together the area that is not shaded, and then I minus that area with the rectangle, big rectangle. So I get 56.98 millimeters. This one I skip because it looks very complicated and I don't know the exact angle of this, because this one I just guess, but this is even harder. And this is the last page. So it says to find the volume of a certain shape. So to find the volume, I need the length, the width, and the height, times all of that together. So I have so in the first one there is two, how do you say it? It's like a cup. There's a big area and then there's a small area. So first I get the big area, times it with length and width, and then I get the small area, times it with length and width, and then times all of that with the height. I get 3, 315 million millimeters square, or 31,500,000 centimeters square. For B, I do the exact same thing, but the numbers are the same because there is a cube symbol. I use that the same, 400 times 400 plus 350 times 350. So plus all that, and then you add, sorry, not add, times 1000 together. You get 282,500,000 centimeters square. And, or, sorry, 2,825,000,000 millimeters square. C, it says, it shows the same thing, but it says I refill the glass 50%. So I get this and then I divide it by 2, which is 50%. So same, 400 and 400, 350 and 350 times 1000. I divide that by 2, I get 141,250,000 centimeters square, or 1,412,500,000 millimeters square. Thank you very much and have a good day.